Good Thursday morning, BAMWX.com meteorologist Michael Clark here. It's about 4:55 a.m. on Thursday. I want to get an update out to you rather quickly because we do have this wave of snow working in right here across east central Illinois that will be moving off to the east. This is what we spoke about in both updates yesterday, where we have that potential of this wave to move across the central portion of the state. And I think that it will do so, and I think it has the ability to coat the ground a little bit in spots. It's not an extraordinarily heavy event by any means, but it does have the potential, I think, to cause a few slick spots as it moves from west to east from 4 to 8 a.m., which is exactly here what we talked about yesterday. So the areas I would watch for impact would be from Lafayette down towards Terre Haute, just north of Bloomington, over towards Connorsville, Muncie, and Tipton County, and just watch this thing move east. And it may dry up a little bit as it moves east, but it will bring snow into the area this morning, and it does have the potential to coat the ground. This is a look at the high-resolution NAM computer model that came in overnight. And you can see there it is right there. There's that really light area of snow. And again, it's out of here by lunchtime, probably before that. And then going forward, we have another wave that comes in tonight, which again we spoke about in both updates yesterday. It's very important you're watching all the updates in a pattern like this. As you see another light wave of snow coming in tonight, probably about 4 p.m. Onwards to about 10 p.m. tonight. And we'll see a light snow from the Indianapolis area, the I-70 area corridor there north. And I think that by the time it's all said and done from this morning wave and from the evening wave, I don't think it's out of the question that some places are a half inch to an inch of snow from Indianapolis north. In fact, this is a look here at the Canadian computer model just out through tomorrow morning by 7 a.m. And you can see here that sharp contrast, that cutoff, half inch possible around that I-70 corridor, and then closer upwards to 3/4 of an inch to maybe isolated 1 inch amounts here across the northern part of the state between now and Friday morning. Then the next wave will arrive into the area. That's going to come in here Friday afternoon in the evening. Probably starts right around rush hour Friday, if I had to take a guess, probably right around 5 p.m. A nice swath of snow here is going to move into the area as temperatures are falling Friday night. That's the key with this, is temperatures are going to be falling all night Friday and obviously into Saturday as the sun sets here. And so a nice hit of snow. Right now we think it's about a 7 p.m. to a 7 a.m. deal here across the area as probably some places are going to get upwards of 4 inches of snow with this. And we look at the latest computer model data, and again, it is out of here Saturday by lunchtime overall. There'll still be some lingering snow showers around, but we're going to be hard-pressed to get sunshine on Saturday, I believe. Right now the lower levels are remaining rather saturated with this system. This is the latest GFS that is literally coming in as we talk. You can see the numbers here on the left. They're coming in as we're talking. But this is a 2.5 inch snow for Indy, 1.5 inches Bloomington, 3.5 inches in Kokomo, and up to 4 inches in Lafayette. Now that's the GFS model. Okay. The Canadian model, which has been impressively consistent over the course of the last several runs. In fact, I'll show you the last 5 or 6 runs of this model. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Not a lot of change here in these model runs. So very consistent on a 2 to 4 inch swath with locally higher amounts from the Canadian computer model. All right. Now, in terms of what we have forecasted, this is our map from yesterday. Still don't have any reason right now to make big changes to this map. We're not going to until morning data comes in, until our lunchtime update today. So that's the accumulation map for now. 2 to 4 inch swath from Lafayette, Indy to Richmond, 1 to 2 inches south and north of that, and then some snow, lake effect snow possible up there. The big story, not a lot of wind as the snow is falling, but winds pick up in a big way Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. They will be gusting to 25 to 30 miles per hour out of the north and west, which will blow this fluffy, powdery snow around. There's no doubt about that, and that will cause issues on your lots and your roads. It is going to be that potential to blow all that snow around, no doubt about that. Temperatures, as you get Saturday night into Sunday morning, just very, very cold. Actual air temperatures are below zero. in places could be minus 10 degrees here as we get Sunday morning. And looking again here at cloud cover, don't anticipate much in the way of sunshine to aid in any melting process here on Saturday. Now, real quickly here, there is a potential at another wave that may come through New Year's Eve day. The latest GFS model tries to hint at least the potential. The European still has it. We'll look at the energy here, but you see the energy coming through right here? New Year's Eve day. There may be another quick half-inch to inch of snow on the table. We'll have to kind of keep an eye on that. We'll update you with that on the latest. Here's one last check at radar here before we wrap this video up. Again, there is a little band of snow moving in from east central Illinois, spreading east. Could be a coating of snow. If you have questions, let us know.